Hi, welcome back to Line Dance with Christiane. Yes, we can. Today we're going to learn fools. 32 count, one tag, actually the choreographers call it a break, and it is 34 counts. Here's a preview of the 32 steps. Starting with your right foot, rock back on the diagonal and stomp your left. Rock, stomp, kick, stomp. Pivot, turn, and a toe strut, and a full turn, stomp. Stomp on the diagonal, bounce, bounce, kick left, touch it back. Shuffle, forward, step, hook, step, hitch, slide. Coaster, step, shuffle, forward, turn, and step, kick. That's it. Let's break it down. First 8. Weight on left, rock back on the diagonal with your right foot and stomp your left to 10:30. So rock, stomp, kick forward with the right foot, kick, stomp. Left foot goes forward, pivot, turn, half pivot turn, and a toe strut left. One more time. So it's rock, stomp, kick, stomp. Pivot, half, and a toe strut. First 8. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. Second 8. Full turn over your left shoulder. Just our toe strut. So right, left, scuff right to the diagonal. Scuff, step on it, bounce your heels twice, turning left over your left shoulder. Bounce to the front to 12 o'clock, and a kick forward with the left and touch it behind. So that's the second 8. So we just did our toe strut. Now we do half turn, scuff diagonal, stomp, heel bounce, kick forward with the left and touch it behind. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. Third 8. We're going to shuffle to 12 o'clock forward with our left foot. So shuffle forward, step right to the side, hook left behind, step, hook, step left a quarter, and hitch right. So it's a quarter. So we just did our touching back. Shuffle forward left, shuffle forward, step right, quarter turn over your left shoulder, hook, another quarter turn and a hitch. Then rock back and slide. So the counts are 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, slide 8. One more time. And the counts start with a shuffle. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Fourth 8. Coaster step back with the left. Coaster step left. Coaster step right foot shuffle forward. Shuffle forward full turn. Left, right, left, kick right. And you're ready to start again. And the counts are 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. Let's put it together with words, slow, and with counts. So with words, you're going to rock back on the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, stomp, kick, stomp, pivot, turn, toe, strut, half turn, scuff, stomp, heel left coaster, step right, shuffle forward, turn, turn, step, kick. It's a 2-wall dance. So we're either at 12 o'clock or 6 o'clock, starting and finishing. Here we go. With counts, 2-wall dance. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it, 2 walls. The tag or break, that the choreographer calls it, happens on wall 9. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It happens at the end of wall 9 and you're actually facing 6 for the 34 count tag. So I'll show it to you from the back, but you're actually facing 6 o'clock when you do it. The tag or break starts with 2 steps. Right, left, V, out, out on the in, you turn. Half turn over your right shoulder. Do it again, facing 6 o'clock. Step, step, out, out, turn. Yes. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Third 8 is a toe strut jazz box, turning over your right shoulder, half turn. So it's toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, toe strut. Good, and the counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the first one is the cross, toe strut. Now you turn to face 3, toe strut, turn to face 6, toes turning towards 6, and a toe strut. So a jazz box. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Last 8 counts are 2 prissy walks, 1 hold 2, 3 hold 4, then right foot and touch left behind, full turn over your left shoulder called the corkscrew, unwind, keep unwinding, and then when you get there you hold 2 counts because it's a 34 counts. So it's prissy walks, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, start, 1, 2, 3, 4. From the top. The tag with words and then with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8, and walk, walk, out, out, turn, and step, step, out, out, turn, jazz box, toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, prissy walks, walk, walk, fall behind, unwind, and hold, hold. And the counts are 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold 1, 2, and 1. So the tag happens on wall 9. Fools, have fun. Thank you for joining me. Click subscribe. Bye.